Good morning, girls. Today we are going to make drawing of ellipse using rectangle method. So first prepare the border, leave the left 3 centimeters, as the border. So draw the line, thin line with H pencil. Leave the top 2 centimeters. And draw the line. And right side also 2 centimeters. Draw the margin line. Bottom also 2 centimeters. This is the regular preparation of your drawing sheet, ma. So draw the border line with HB pencil. Okay. Now we have to make the major axis as 12 centimeter, minor axis as 6 centimeters. So first to take a line, baseline, perpendicular to this left margin. So we have to draw a line. Okay. Mark the distance as 12 centimeters. So I'm marking this as a 0. So 12 centimeters I am marking it. So this is we are going to get, and midpoint is 6 centimeters. At 6 centimeters we are making. Now draw the perpendicular line to this one, and minor axis is 6 centimeters. So 3 centimeters above, 3 centimeters below I am taking. So now draw the rectangle. So again draw the perpendicular line from this one, and also here in the top. Now for this perpendicular line passing through major axis, at this point also you mark it, and here also you mark it. Okay, girls. Now we are making this as a rectangle as ABCD. So now I am marking this as A, B, C, and D. The midpoints as PQRS. So I am making P, Q, R, S. Fine, girls. Class. Now mark in the DS at 1 centimeter apart, ma. So because we are dividing 3 equal parts, so 1 centimeter I am making. So that similarly as a AS also 3 parts. Now this is center one, as I will take as a O. Okay. Now similarly CQ also we are dividing at 1 centimeter apart, and QB also 1 centimeter apart. Okay, fine, girls. Now always from the center we have to refer as a 1 2 3. So from here I am making as a 1 2. Now similarly here also 1 2. So 1 2 1 2. So from center we are going outside itself. Similarly from O also we have to mark as a, from same S we have to mark SO as 3 equal parts. Now it is 6 centimeters. So we have to mark as a 2 centimeter apart. అంటే ఈక్వల్ డివిజన్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో వీఆర్ మేకింగ్ సో 1 2. సిమిలర్లీ హియర్ ఆల్సో 2 సెంటీమీటర్ అపార్ట్. సో ఎస్ నుంచి మనం పైకి అన్నాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఎస్ నుంచి రైట్ సైడ్కి కూడా సేమ్ యాజ్ ఏ 1 and 2. సో ఇక్కడ క్యూ నుంచి కూడా అబవ్ బిలో వెళ్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇట్లా క్యూ నుంచి ఇన్నర్ సైడ్. సో 1 and 2 వీఆర్ మార్కింగ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఫైన్ గర్ల్స్, నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు జాయిన్ ఎ లైన్ R1 R2 left side. So the first quadrant we are taking, so draw a thin line passing through 1 R is the line. So 1 R we are making a line. Similarly 2 R also we are making a line. So the left quadrant we are making. Now from P you have to join 2 and extend it till it is intersecting the R2 line itself. So we have to make as a P and 2 we should intersect the R2 line up to here. Make this as a point P2. So P2 I am marking it. Similarly P1 and we extend till it is intersecting the R1 line itself. So P1 we are joining and extending itself. So mark it as a P1 and this as a P2. Now we have to draw the first quadrant arc. So from the S passing through P1, P2 and R. So join a thin line with a free hand. You move the free hand so you can get that one itself. So now R P1 P2. Now P2 R we have to get. This is a very lengthy line, so it is take care we have to get like a tangent towards the R itself. So now we have to highlight. First draw thin with H pencil, then we have to highlight with HB pencil. So this is the first quadrant of the ellipse we got itself. Now same pattern we have to draw in the right side. So we have to join this rightwards R1. So this R and 1 we are drawing a line. R2 we are drawing a line. Now same pattern, some from P we have to draw the line P2 and extend till it is intersecting the R2 line in the right side. So P and 2 we are drawing a line and extending till it is intersecting this P2 now this mark as a P3. Now from P1 and extend till it is intersecting R1 itself. So again we have to draw the line. So we have to get. So now P3, now this will become as a P4. Now draw the line joining this R P3. So same curving we have to get. And P3, P4, P4 and Q like a tangent continuation line. So we are going to get it, sir. So now this is ellipse right side top we got it, sir. Now the bottom one we have to draw same pattern, some free P2 P1 this AS line we have to draw the lines similar like how we are drawn from R2 and R1. Same pattern we have to get itself. So now we are joining, so continuation this process. So now we are going from the right side. So this P1 and this P2 in the BQ line we are getting itself. Now we have to draw the lines from R2 and extend so till it is intersecting this P2 line itself. So 2 and R we are joining and extending so till it is intersecting. So P4 it will get a P5, so it will become as a P6. So I am writing as a P6. Now R1 we are joining and extending till it is intersecting here. So this is the P5. Now join P, P6, P5 and Q. So this is also the fourth quadrant portion. So simply first draw H line. So the curve should get as a continuation line type. Now you can highlight. This will become the third quadrant of the ellipse. Similarly, we have to draw from here P2 and P1 the lines in the AS. Okay. Now we have to draw R2 and extend till it is intersecting here the P2 line itself. So draw the line from R and 2 we have to extend. So this will become P6, so it will become as a P7, and P1 we extend till it is intersecting the one line P1 line at P8. Now we have to join these P6, P7 and P7 to P, but it should not get as a shivering line, so it should get as a continuation tangential line. So this is our required ellipse. So erase whatever the unwanted the thin remaining lines. So this is the ellipse. Using the rectangle method we have to draw itself. So try to follow. Again you can replay the video and you can practice. So this is one of the techniques. This is ellipse 1. So 1 centimeter height you can write in the title box as 15 centimeters. So this box you can take a little bit high. Okay, you can write in the 15 centimeter title box ellipse 1. Here the title box we are drawing. Okay, 15 centimeter length. So you are writing, or you can write here. If you are writing only small box 10 centimeters means ellipse 1 also you can write, no problem, but take now onwards it is a 15 centimeter length title box. So what you have to do, so from here we have to take as a 15 centimeters, so it will getting up to here, and 5 centimeter height, so 5 centimeter only height, so no problem. So you can get here the title box. So it is getting somewhat interacting with the diagram. So leave 5 millimeter is the space. Next 1 centimeter is the height. Next 5 millimeters. Next 1 centimeter. Now here you can write ellipse. So center also you can write our left side. So E I P S E ellipse, and this is the first method, so we are writing as a 1. This should be a straight line not to be slanted. Here you can write exercise number. So EX number, the continuation diagram number we are writing, and we are writing the today. I will give the dates, so that dates you have to follow. So like this you have to write the ellipse. This is the first method of ellipse. Thank you.